Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Monster Vinnie from Five Nights at Candy's. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this creepy looking thing, and to begin we're gonna draw, let's draw the top of his head first. So this is gonna be a skull. So we're just gonna draw this little kind of bowl shape here, and then from there we're gonna draw his eye. So right here we'll just draw the eye socket. It's gonna be one oval and another one on this side. Okay, and then now for the eyeball, so it's gonna be round in here, so round, and one more. Just leave a little bit of highlight right in the middle. Makes it a little bit creepier. And let me just quickly shade this in so we can see it better. Or else it'll look like a bunch of circles. So now it looks nice and creepy, right? It looks like an eye socket. So then from there, his little cheek here, so right on below it, off to the side, we're just gonna make two little circles. Okay, and then now we're gonna finish out the cheek. So we're gonna come out, just continue, and just come out and just gonna curve it in for now. And then here, same thing, we'll come out, just kind of curve it in. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw the mouth. So right in the middle, we're just gonna come down. Almost like a sad face. Okay, we're just gonna draw those lines first. And then now we're gonna come straight down on both sides. Okay, so once we have that, now we can connect it. So just kind of curve it. Just give it a nice smooth curve. Okay, so now we can draw the lower lip, the jaw. So right underneath here, we just draw one line, and then we're gonna go up. And now we're gonna curve it this way. So that's gonna be the jaw, the lower jaw. And now we can draw in a bunch of teeth. So this will be really easy. And he's probably got more teeth than this. You can draw smaller ones if you want, but I'm just gonna draw it this size since I'm using a Sharpie. I can't draw too many small ones. Okay, so I think that's mean enough, right? Okay, so then now for the details on his head, on his face. So there's gonna be one line, and then this is gonna be another line coming down here. And we'll see that better once I color it, because this is gonna be purple. Okay, and then there's gonna be one little purple patch here too as well. Okay, so that's pretty much the head, nice and creepy. So now let's move down to the body, and it's got a little bow tie here. So just right underneath here, just draw like a little circle. And then we're gonna flare it out for the bow tie. And it's quite large. Draw a little bit of creasing. And then the ends, so just two lines. Two lines. Close it off with a little angle. Okay, so now for his body, so we're gonna just, right here, we're just gonna come straight down. And we're gonna close it off. And then now for his sleeve, so here, just come out and just go back into the body. So same thing here, come out, go back in. Okay, and then he's got three buttons here. 2, 3, a little bit of line in the middle of each. So his body is actually a little bit longer, but I'm drawing a little bit shorter since I don't have a lot of room here. Okay, so for now we're gonna draw it short. And again, you can draw this a little bit longer. Angle, and then just close it off. Okay, so now I can draw his arm. Let's come back up here. And his arm's just gonna be easy, so two lines, and I'm gonna have it kind of bent a little bit. Now we're gonna close it off. And then it's got a little bit of a ball joint here, so it's almost like a little ball. Now I can draw his hand, which is quite creepy. Okay, so one line like this, another line like that. We're gonna close this off. Come across, go back up, and now we can draw his thumb, so it comes out. And then it's gonna be pretty sharp, so just gonna give it a little bit of sharp corner there. Okay, so now for his other finger, so let's see. There's actually more, but I'm gonna draw a little bit less. I'm just gonna draw 3 plus 1. So nice and sharp at the end. 2, and then 1 more, 3. You can draw another one if you want, but again, I can't draw too small with a Sharpie. And then it's got some details here, so we're gonna draw, and these are gonna be stripes. And we'll see it once I color it. Okay, so now for the other side, it's gonna be a little bit straighter. I'm gonna just draw his arms a little bit straighter. Then we're gonna close it off. And then again, with the little ball joint at the end. And now we're gonna draw his thumb here. Here we're gonna come straight down. This is gonna be his palm. And now we're gonna draw one of his fingers, 1. And again, we're just gonna taper it in. Okay, 1 more here. 1, and then maybe, let's do 1 more, so there. And then we'll see a little bit on the other side. So it makes it nice and creepy with the claws. So again, stripe, stripe, stripe. Okay, so let's move down to his legs, which are pretty much the same as his arms. So it's gonna be 2 lines. And then we're gonna close it off. And he's got kind of these funny boots, so extend it. Okay, come straight down. Here's the heel. We're gonna come out. And then the toe area is one of those shoes where it flips upright. So we're gonna draw that and then just come across. And then we're gonna go back all the way to the heel. Okay, and then now on the other side, pretty much the same thing. Close it, extend it, come down, a little bit of heel, and we're gonna come out. Then here's the toe going up, come back down, come across, and close it off. And then let's see the stripes on his legs. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. And that's it for this creepy Monster Vinnie from Five Nights at Candy's. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.